In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Need for Speed Payback with a controller on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before you actually follow the process I'm gonna teach you in this video, I recommend that you try to open up the game using any controller that you have connected to your PC and test to see if it works. If it doesn't work, you are going to have to use some programs. As you can see, according to the official EA help page, you can use an Xbox One controller natively, so if necessary or if you have one, just connect it to your PC and make sure it works without the need to install anything else. If you have a PlayStation 4 or 5 controller, the best tool to set them up for any game is DS4 Windows and DS5 Windows that you can find on the DS4 website. As you can see, this is a program that is going to help you set up your DualShock or your DualSense for any game. You are going to be able to change all of the keybinds to actions in-game as necessary, even in just the joysticks. So all you have to do is download the tool and set up all your binds on the controller. You can also find custom templates made by the community if you don't want to manually set it up. If, for some reason, you have an Xbox controller that is not being detected, the best alternative that you have is X360CE. As you can see, this is an Xbox 360 controller emulator. The idea is essentially the same. You will basically be able to set up each individual key on your controller to an action in-game, and as long as you set it up properly, you will be able to run this application and open up the game with the controller connected to your PC. All you have to do to install both of these is go to their website, click download at the top, and it will give you instructions on how to download everything. For DS4 Windows and DS5 Windows, you simply have to run the exe file, but for Xbox 360 CE, you actually have to extract the files in the place the game is installed, so usually on the Steam Apps folder. As long as you follow through this process, you will be able to play using any brand of controller that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Need for Speed Payback with a controller on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.